at Maguire's Ford in Lincoln. My name's Orlando. Right behind me we have a 2018 Ford Edge Sport. Let's get right into this video. So coming up on the exterior, you'll definitely notice the sporty appearance of the Ford Edge Sport. Ford definitely did go a long way just to make sure all the sportiness of the package is definitely included here. We're definitely looking at a lot of options here. So we're looking at leather and suede on the seats. The wheels definitely on the sporty side. And then looking at the infotainment, we're getting a Ford Sync 3 system with nav standard. We have heated seats and go back there. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, remote start. All-wheel drive is standard with the Sport model. And this example does have 34,000 miles. Coming up on the rear spacing here, we do have some ports here. We have 110 volt down here. The seats do fold down, so we're looking at a full space here. All weather mats included. And coming up to the rear hatch, we do have a power tailgate. Definitely see the Sport badge there. And that's all your space. With the second row folded down, you get a spare. And you also get the ability to just hit a button. The seat does fold down. And coming up on the engine, you're looking at a 2.7 liter twin turbo V6 from Ford. We're looking at an EcoBoost engine. We're looking at 315 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. That's good for 18 miles per gallon city and 24 highway. Thanks for watching. My name's Orlando. Stop on by to Maguire's Ford in Lincoln today.